Hello students, welcome to the class. So today's topic is budget. We will discuss about the meaning of budget, okay, the types of budget and the features, characteristics, and finally the purpose of budget. So let's understand first the definition, the meaning of budget. Budget is an operational plan. What is budget? Budget is an operational plan, okay, for a defined period, for a defined period, usually a year, okay, usually it's a year, expressed in financial terms, and budget is expressed in financial terms and based on the expected income and expenditure, and it is based on the some expected income and some expected expenditure too. Okay, so budget is an operational plan for a definite period, usually a year, expressed in financial terms and based on the expected income and expenditure. Okay, what are the purposes of budgeting? Let's see some key points. Why budgeting happens? Okay, what is the purpose behind it? First, mechanism for translating fiscal objectives into projected monthly spending pattern. First purpose of budgeting is to translate the fiscal objectives, the reserved, the revenues, or you can say the policies of taxation, the objectives related to that, mechanism of translating them into projected monthly spending pattern, means how it will be spended, how it, the reserve amount or the things it will be projected, how it will be spent, how it, okay, that pattern is decided by the authorities, and so this is the purpose of budgeting. Number 2, enhances fiscal planning and decision making. Of course, the fiscal planning, how the reserved revenues, the taxation and everything will be planned out, and the decision making, obviously the budgeting enhances that. Number 3rd point, clearly recognizes controllable and uncontrollable cost areas. The areas which are uncontrollable or controllable regarding cost, okay, which becomes the part of the expenses. It clearly recognizes those areas. Then it offers a useful format for communicating fiscal objectives, and last, allows the feedback of utilization of the budget. So budgeting obviously allows and gives the feedback, the response of the utilization of the budget. What are the characteristics of budgeting or the features of budgeting? Number 1, it should be flexible. Budgeting should be flexible. Why? Because in now the day-to-day changing environment of an economic system, the commercial system, advancement of technology and everything, day by day the time changes. So the budgeting should be flexible so that as per the current time, something or somewhat can be added or removed, okay, according to the situation what demands. So this is first. Okay, it should be flexible, not rigid. Number 2, should be synthesis of past, present and future. Budgeting should not only focus on present, what is happening in current area, or on the past, what has happened. It should consider every part of process, okay, that affects the commercial areas, that affects the economy overall of the nation. So it should be synthesis of past, present and future. Then third point, should be product of joint venture and cooperation of executive department head at different level of management. So it should be a product, it should be a result of joint venture and cooperation of executive head department at different levels of management. Okay, so budgeting should be a final solution, you can say, of every joint venture, a cooperation of all the departments head at different levels of the management. Now let's see the types of budgets. Number 1, operating budget, which include revenues and expenses. Number 2, capital expenditure budget. Number 3, cash budget. 4th, labor or personal budget. 5th, flexible budget. And the last is strategic planning budget. So let's understand them in detail. Operating budget provides an overview of agency function by projecting the planned operation for upcoming year. So operating budget gives the overview of agency's function, okay, by giving the planned operation for upcoming year. It deals with salaries, okay, it deals with the salaries, medical surgical supplies, office supplies, laundry service, books, periodicals, recreation and contractual services. So basically it deals in revenues and expenses. Okay, so operating budget, first operating budget. Second, capital expenditure budget. It is related to long range. Okay, capital expenditure budget is related to long range planning, includes physical changes. It includes physical changes, replacement and expansion of plant. Okay, so capital expenditure budget refers to the physical changes like replacement and expansion of the plant. Plant means the machinery, the production plant. Okay, major equipments and inventories. So replacement of major equipments and inventories is decided by the capital expenditure budget. They are major investment because they belong to the major investment and reduces flexibility in the budgeting, and it can reduce the flexibility in the budgeting also. Number 3 is cash budget. It is planned to make adequate funds available and to use extra funds profitably. Okay, so cash budget is planned to make adequate funds available. Okay, the funds should be some cash, some funds should be available in time of need, and to use extra funds profitably. And in case of extra funds, these are used profitably. Should not have too much cash on hand during budgetary period. So during the budgetary period, cash in hand should not be very much. Okay, so it is a cash budget. 4th is labor or personal budget. As the name you can understand, estimate cost of direct labor, the cost of direct labor in the production process, the cost of labor, it estimates that necessary to meet the agency objectives. Determine the recruitment. Okay, so labor personal budget also determines the recruitment, hiring, assignment, layoff, discharge of a personnel. Clear? Nurse manager has to decide number of aides, orderlies required during a shift, months and areas. So these all things come in the category of labor or personal budget. 5th, flexible budget. Okay, some costs are fixed, अदर चेंजेस विद द वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिजनेस, कुछ कॉस्ट फिक्स्ड होती हैं बट कुछ चीज़ें चेंज होती रहती हैं विद द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बिजनेस. एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बिजनेस goes big or small, more or less, the cost also changes. So some expenses are unpredictable. Okay, कुछ expenses ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हम जज नहीं कर सकते. In future they can come and can be determined only after change has begun. Only after the change has begun it comes. Okay, so periodic reviews required to compensate for changes. So to compensate these changes, periodic reviews are required. So these conditions are met by making of flexible budget. Last is a strategic planning budget. Strategic planning budget means long range budget. Strategic planning, long range budget. Okay, for long range planning projected for 3 to 5 years. Okay, so these plans are projected for 3 to 5 years. Program budget is a part of this budget. You can also say a program budget. Okay, so this is all about budget for today. Please revise the topic thoroughly and solve the questions which I am giving you in the homework. All the doubts will be cleared in the next class. Till then, bye bye everyone, and thank you so much.